What's up, my beauty gang? It's the Anissa J, and I'm back with another video. What's up, cutie? Is that you all into your beauty? What? No, now. No. I just need a little bit of y'all time. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, y'all. We're going to do this good old inventory haul. We're going to go over what we got here for I Inspire Beauty. Because we at I Inspire Beauty, we expanding. So what we're going to do is just go over, without further ado, we're going to just get right into it. Like, I don't even know what I want to start with. But I do want, some of the things I'm adding to the site is going to be cosmetics, lip gloss. So I have some tubes here, all different sizes. These are the 10 millimeter, mm. I'm gonna just say mm, y'all, throughout this whole video. These are the 10 mm lip glosses. I have several of these. Okay, I'm just gonna put this aside. So my glosses are gonna be handmade. They are cruelty-free, vegan. They are very, very natural. I myself are gonna be going in, creating the measurements, what I'm using in the gloss, my oils, fragrances, everything is gonna be to my liking. And of course to my clients and customers liking. But you know, when you're selling something to the public, if you like it, your customers and every girl's gonna like it as well. So we're just gonna go over some of these shades. I'm gonna take them out. So I have so many. I'm gonna try to go over as many as I can. Here's another one. And each shade will be named. I already have, let me see if I can show you. You really can't hardly see. My voice still trying to come back. If you can see. So they all will have their own unique names, shades, and different ingredients put in it. Crafted by me personally for you. Here are the colors. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Have some syringes to get it made. And I just want to say the sterilizing process that I have planned, because I haven't really started sterilizing anything yet. Everything is straight out the box for you guys. I try not to open boxes, but I also wanted to make sure that I had the items in the quantity that I ordered to make sure my order was correct. So I have opened a few of my boxes. I have a few things back there that are not open, but for the majority of the order, everything is open. And some tiny syringes. So we're gonna have lashes. Can you see the lashes? These are called Blase. So I got it from the word blaze, but I wanted to put my own spin on it, so they're Blase. Can you see Blase on this side and Visionary on this side? I'm gonna be starting out with 2. But I have so much more in store as far as the lashes. I just started with those 2. And as we expand, we'll add more styles. And yes, they are 25 mm lashes. And then I also have these wands, eyelash wands. Let me take one out so you can see. They're very, very girly and sparkly. All things glittery and beautiful. You see. Can you see? So I have like little stones on the end. They're so, so cute. All things beauty when I Inspire Beauty. Let me see. Oh, and these are some little stoppers for the squeeze tubes. Also have, we're gonna have different style wand lip gloss tubes. But this is one of the ones. These are one of the ones we're gonna start with. Just the silver clear. This is about 10 millimeter. So we got those. I also have this style. These are about 5 millimeter one lip gloss tubes. They're pink, so they're a little smaller. They shorter and smaller than the 10 millimeter ones. Some pipettes to make sure everything will go into the tubes correctly. Here at Inspire Beauty, we also are going to be doing wholesale soon. So I've already started with my wholesale gloss jars, 8-ounce jars. So once each gloss is customized, they will come with the oils and the scents already. So what the variety of glosses that we have, each one will be available wholesale for you to sell if you want to start your own business using the fragrance, oils, and I'm using all natural essential oils. So these are the jars that the wholesale orders will come in, the 8-ounce jars. A scale. This scale was gifted to me by my brother Brian. Just a little seed he's sowing into my business, because I need to weigh each item before I ship it out to you guys. So thank you, Brian, for that. Okay, so we're gonna go over these little bags, shipping bags. And you can put, like, I have my samples for the lip scrubs. These are the lip scrub samples. These are customized by me too. Also using gloves, and the sanitary process is very strict, especially during this Corona season. You guys won't have to worry about cleanliness of my brand and my business, because I am sanitizing everything that I'll be using when it comes to all products being made. Even when it comes to these little jars, all of these will be sanitized correctly before putting the products in each jar. So these little bags will come with glosses on them, and I do have some labels, and I do have several bigger labels too to go out on the shipping bags. So that's cute, and it's iridescent. Have quite a few of those. I also have some mailers. It's always cute when you shipping orders to have your own unique look for your business and for your brand. I'm very big on the presentation of my orders and of my products. I'm very big on the presentation. So everything is going to be good quality, of course, and presented to you very well and beautiful. These are some more mailers that I have. You see, the light is kind of bright. Has a little bow on it, and they're black and pink. Oh, and they also say thank you on the back right here. So I got these. I also have these iridescent mailers. It's good to have different sizes. I've been waiting to do this video for like over a month, but I'm still waiting on inventory, products, and things to come in. But I just have it like part 1, part 2 when the other items come in, because I do have other mailers coming too. But here's another mailer. So it's good to have different sizes. I have some bigger ones coming for my bigger items, like my oils, hair oils, my rose oils. All those will come in bigger bags. So I have like some little butterflies, because that is the symbol for my business. I use butterflies. You can't really see it, but they're iridescent as well. And some glitter. This is for my gloss, this glitter here. And can't wait till you guys learn the names of the glosses, because I did take time to name each and every one. Sanitizing kit. Everything will be sanitized again. So just to guarantee you that. These are the droppers for my hair oil. I'm so excited for this because I've always wanted my own hair oil. I'm going to be customizing the oil, everything I'm making. So I don't have like another oil, something I'm using. It's going to be the measurements and everything I'm creating myself. Using all healthy products that's going to truly grow your hair. So these are the dropper bottles. The glass little droppers. And I have to customize it and like put it together. So they're going to be white and gold. You can see. Okay. And again, that's for the hair oil because the rose oils, they come in a different dropper. And those are already up on the site. I collab with my brother Brian to do those at DoctorGuyApothecary. I'm going to list his website and information as well in the comments in the description below. Okay. In the description below. I also have some beauty blenders. A lot of people use brushes, but beauty blenders also are very good for the pressing of your foundation and your concealer. So they go ahead and start oxidizing your makeup to be your true color. So I have lavender. I have lavender and like a baby pink, soft pink. So the beauty blenders will come in those two colors. Again, we're waiting on a lot of stuff to come in the mail. Okay, these are my 15 mm gloss tubes. Go ahead and get one out and show you. And these will come with silver tops. And these lids are silver. Every gloss, every tube is going to come with at least, I'm trying to do as many of the glosses, like many shades of the glosses. So if you like in a particular tube, you can still get the gloss that you want in that tube. Some more syringes, some thank you stickers. And these are my oils that I'm going to be mixing up to make the hair oil. I still have some more left to ship in. Oh. And another oil. I couldn't wait any longer to present this video, so we're gonna go ahead and start without everything. These are some more lip gloss tubes. These are the smallest ones I have. I do think they are about 2 mm. Like they're very small, but they also will be on the site. They're lavender as well. So those will be on the site. So let me see, Yeah. Okay. Those will be on there. And of course I have the lip glosses. Several different ones to go ahead and start doing that. Lip gloss base. So with these bases, you're really not starting with anything but the Versagel itself. So everything from the color, the pigments that I'm adding, everything will be customized for you. Let me show you those. This is a shade. And I can't wait for you guys to learn the names when you're ordering, and they all will be self-labeled as well for each shade. This one is like a brown chocolate, but is that everything? I think, oh yeah, I forgot the Not the last but not least item. Okay. So I have a question. I customized this pillow. It was really for my work area here, but just let me know if you guys want me to add it to the site. Comment below. Let me know in the comments. You can't really see this because it's white and it's washing out. Okay, there you go. So comment below if you want me to add the cup and the pillow to the site. It says I Inspire Beauty with my new logo. So we recently rebranded, have a new logo. Trying to change it up a little bit. Let me see. Okay, so last but not least, we did everything but my mirrors. And I have two different style mirrors. Yep. So these are like little cosmetic mirrors. This one is pink. It's really pink with the logo written in black and pink. And this one is black with the logo written in white and pink. So these two will be up on the site. And you can see about the size of them. Great for traveling. Great to have in your makeup kit to have just sitting up while you're doing your makeup. Or if you like to go live and do your makeup for my MUAs, you can hold it, do your makeup in the mirror without blocking your face. Without, you know, you have those big mirrors and you can't see the eyebrow because you like this. Yeah. It's the perfect size. Let me see. What this is. Okay, so that's it, but it's definitely not all that I have to show you guys. More videos will be coming out this week, so just stay tuned because I have more bangers. I'm just trying to take my beauty gang along the journey with your girl, like all the way. I want y'all to get everything, so that's what this whole entrepreneur vlog, all these episodes is gonna be, so you can see the back side of entrepreneurship and just take y'all all the way with me. And I just want to say, because I know I never say this, but I love all my supporters. I really appreciate y'all for supporting me, watching my videos, coming to get your services done at the salon, just supporting I Inspire Beauty as a whole, and just lifting my business up. So thank you again. I really want to say that more often. I do say it sometimes, like on my social media, but as far as my videos, I do want to say thank you guys for watching and supporting me. So until next time, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later, Beauty Gang.